In this video, I'm going to show you how you can travel back in time with Google Maps. So this way you can see all of the older Google Maps street views. So all you need to do is go to the location you want. So in my case, I'm here at LA, and I'm just gonna drop this yellow guy at the bottom right of the screen to wherever you want. Let's say it's right here. I'm gonna collapse this side panel, and now you should see the street you want. So if you click right here at the top left of the screen, you will see more dates, and you will see the current date you are watching right now. So in my case, it's January 2025. But if I click right here, you can choose from a lot of different dates. So you could see how a specific street looked like 10 years ago, for example. Let's go right here, and you can see all the changes. So there are some streets that don't have this feature because the Google Maps car didn't pass there for other dates. But for example, on this random street I just found, you can see how you can select from a lot of different dates. That's how easy you can see the old Google Maps street views. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.